This is Forms, one of the applications in the control suite from Fortified ID. In this demo, we will demonstrate how external users can initiate the creation of their own account within your organization. Using Fortified ID products, the user verifies their identity via an electronic ID, then provides additional information such as email and mobile number. Once the account is created, the user can immediately log into a portal that clearly displays the apps they have access to. The user receives access to a URL provided by your organization. The user clicks the link and accesses the page. The first step is for the user to prove their identity by logging in with an electronic ID, such as Swedish Bank ID, Swedish Freja EID, or Foreign ID EDAS. For this demo, we will use Foreign ID EIDAS as it provides a number of test users. We will use Bernt Olof Larsson as an example of an external user. The user is also prompted to provide additional information about themselves. Here, we add and verify email and phone number. Everything displayed to the user is a customizable example and can be easily adapted to suit other needs. Upon successful authentication, the user is shown information retrieved from the login process. Additionally, the personal identification number is used to gather further details from publicly available services in Sweden. Note that Hillary Knight is selected as the contact. At the end of this demo, we will log in as her to demonstrate a delegated view. Once the account has been created, the user is presented with a summary page containing relevant information, including a link to the external portal designed for external users. Since the user is already authenticated and SSO is utilized, they will automatically enter the portal and gain access to the appropriate applications. We log out as Bernt Olof Larsson. Now, we will log in as the employee user Hillary Knight, the contact person Bernt Olof Larsson chose. Hillary logs in with her user ID and a one-time password. Upon entering the portal, she sees a range of apps linked to her employee role. Hillary clicks on My Resources and selects Manage My Users. Here, she views a list of users she is responsible for. By selecting Bernt Olof Larsson, she can add him to various groups to assign permissions. In this example, Hillary adds Bernt to ServiceNow and VMware applications. We then log out as Hillary. When Bernt logs into the portal again, he now has access to the ServiceNow and VMware applications. Thank you for watching this demo. Read more on fortifiedid.se